Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to create an Apollo.io account in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for leads, email outreach, or sales automation tools, Apollo is a great platform to get started with. First, open your browser and go to www.apollo.io. Once the homepage loads, click the sign up button in the top right corner. You'll be taken to the registration page. You can either sign up using your Google account or enter your email manually. If you're using your work email, make sure it's valid. Apollo prefers business emails over free providers like Gmail. Once you've filled everything out, click sign up. After that, you'll be redirected immediately to Apollo where you can start setting up your profile. You might be asked to enter your preferences such as what best describes you, what would you like to do with Apollo, level of experience, etc. This is to evaluate how you plan to use Apollo. Fill this in to tailor your experience. Once setup is complete, you'll log onto the Apollo dashboard. From here, you can explore contacts, search for leads, build outreach leads, and much more. And that's it. Your Apollo.io account is now ready to use.